What is the main purpose of data collection?
The main purpose of data collection is to gather accurate and relevant information for analysis, decision making, and problem solving.
What is a variable in data collection?
A variable is any characteristic, number, or quantity that can change or take different values in a dataset.
Differentiate between qualitative and quantitative data.
Qualitative data describes attributes or characteristics, example colors, opinions, while quantitative data consist of numerical values, example height, temperature.
What is big data and why is it important?
Big data refers to extremely large datasets that require advanced tools for storage, processing, and analysis. It is important for identifying patterns and making data-driven decisions.